Welcome to our channel Maths Bench. Everybody first in this bench. My videos are helpful to the students who are studying or preparing for the 10th class examinations. Please watch all my videos and share to your friends and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and knowledge. Well, why late? Let's enter into our class based on the discriminants in quadratic equations concept. Hello students, in this video I would like to explain finding of a discriminant of any quadratic equation. Finding of quadratic equation. Okay na? And next, nature of the roots. Based on the discriminant, how to decide the nature of the root, what is the comment on the quadratic equation based on the discriminant. And third one also, based on the discriminant, you have to find the value of k. If roots are real and equal, then what is the value of k? That is also based on the discriminant by taking delta value equal to 0. And fourth type, situation is possible or not. This is also based on the discriminant. We have to form a quadratic equation. After getting the quadratic equation, we have to calculate its delta. After finding of a delta, if it is delta value is negative less than to the 0, then situation is not possible. About this we will discuss. Before going to this discussion, let's identify the nature of the roots. Delta value equal to 0, then roots are real and roots are real and they will be equal. Delta is greater than 0, then also roots are real and they will be not equal, unequal or distinct. If delta is less than to the 0, then roots are not real and they will be not equal. Not real, not equal. These three statements we have to memorize. Delta equal to 0, roots are real and equal. Here equal, only equal. Greater than 0, real, not equal. Less than 0, not real, not equal. Memorize these three, and formula to find out the delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Learn this. Next exercise will be easy for you. Okay, let's enter into our exercise based on this content. Suppose a problem is given in this type. Find the discriminant of a quadratic equation 2x square plus 5x plus 5 is equal to 0. Then what will be the answer? Okay na? We know discriminant is denoted by delta. Formula for the delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. This we have to memorize. Right? Now here given quadratic equation is 2x square plus 5x plus 5 is equal to 0. This quadratic equation we have to compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here a value is equal to 2, b value is equal to 5 and c value is also 5. So a value is equal to 2, b value is equal to 5 and c value is also 5. Now we have to find out discriminant. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. B value is equal to 5. So 5 whole square minus 4 into a value is equal to 2 and c value is equal to 5. So 5 square value 25 and 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are is equal to 40. 25 minus 40 not possible. So 40 minus 25 is equal to 15. Bigger value negative. So delta value you got as a negative. Okay na? If we asked about only discriminant, we have to stop here. and if we given continuation, find the discriminant and also find its nature of the roots also. If we ask to write what is the nature of the roots, that is depending on the delta value. Here delta value is negative, delta value is negative or less than to the 0, then roots are not real, and not equal. Roots are not real and not equal when delta value is less than to the 0. I mean, if we got any negative term, then the roots are real and not equal. Okay, let's discuss one more problem. Here quadratic equation in the fractions. Here 3x square plus 4x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. For that we have to find out the discriminant of the data. Now the given equation 3x square plus 4x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. Here first coefficient is a, so a is equal to 3. Next second one is equal to 4, then b is equal to 4, and third one c is equal to 1 by 3. You have to apply discriminant is equal to delta formula b square minus 4ac. B value is equal to 4, so 4 square, and a into 4 into a value is equal to 3 and c value is equal to 1 by 3. 4 square is equal to 16. Here 3 into 3 by 3 cancel, remaining value 4. 16 minus 4 is equal to 12. Now is it a positive value or negative value? Obviously it is positive. Positive value means greater than to the 0. Then roots are real numbers and they are not equal. Roots are real numbers and not equal. We have to write the comment. If we asked about what is the nature of the roots, find the discriminant and also nature of the roots. This is the method to finding of discriminant, and this is the statement we have to write. Delta is greater than 0, then roots are not real and they will be not equal. Roots are real and they will be not equal. Let's discuss one more problem if it contains root values. Now find the nature of the roots 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. The given quadratic equation 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here a value is equal to 3 and b value is equal to minus 4 root 3 and c value is equal to constant 4. Discriminant value delta formula b square minus 4ac. B square, b value minus 4 root 3 minus 4 into a value 3 and c value 4. Now minus square, you can write here minus 4 root 3 into minus 4 root 3. Minus into minus plus 4 into 4, 16. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Now 16 3s are is equal to 48, which is the value of minus 4 root 3 whole square. Again minus 4 root 3 square means I have written 2 times, minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16, root 3 into root 3 3. 16 3s are 48. Right, this value equal to 48 plus 48. Again 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are is equal to again 48. 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. We got here delta value equal to 0. Such case, in the previous case, one time you got a positive value, then one time you got a negative value. Here neither positive nor negative, you got delta value equal to 0. Then you can say that roots are real numbers and they will be equal. If it is positive, then roots are real but they will be unequal or not equal. If it is negative, roots are not real, and not equal. These three rules you have to apply if you ask about the nature of the roots. Please memorize these three. Delta greater than 0 positive, delta less than 0 negative, delta equal to 0. Then what are the its comments? Okay, here I taken one positive, one negative, one equal to 0, which are roots of fractions. And also, okay, in examination they will give the different values. We have to identify all those. Okay, now let's go for the next. Finding value of k if they contains roots are real and equal. Well, in the previous session we discussed first one, how to find out the discriminant of the data, and second one we have calculated what is the nature of the roots. I mean comment. What is the comment on the given quadratic equation? These two we discussed in the previous session. Now in this we are going to the next level, finding value of k. Finding what is the value of k. Roots are real numbers and equal. If roots are real and equal, then what is the value of k? Okay, now this one you have already revised, this now revised. Now this is the next stage, k value finding if the roots are real and equal. Let's see how to apply. The given quadratic equation is 3x square plus 4x plus k is equal to 0. Here given roots are real numbers and equal. When they will be real and equal, delta value is equal to 0. Then the roots are real numbers and also they will be equal. So for the given equation, a value is equal to 3, and second value b value is equal to 4, and third value c value is equal to k. If roots are real numbers and also equal, then delta value equal to 0. What is delta formula? So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. b value is equal to 4, so 4 square 4 into a value equal to 3 and c value is equal to k is equal to 0. 4 square equal to 16, 4 3s are is equal to 12, k is equal to 0. Minus 12k transpose plus 16 is equal to 12k into 12 transpose by 12 is equal to k. 4 table, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. So 4 by 3 is equal to k. That case value of k is equal to 4 by 3 if roots are real numbers and also equal. If roots are real and equal, then value of k you got as 4 by 3. Because how can we apply? Only simple reason, if delta is equal to apply for equal to 0, then you will get the value of k is equal to 4 by 3. If we given only the case roots are real and equal. Okay, let's discuss one more example. Kx square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. If roots are real and equal, then what is the value of k? Here a value is equal to k, b value is equal to 4 and c value is equal to 1. Now the condition is roots are real numbers and equal, then what we can discriminant value delta is equal to 0. b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. b value is equal to 4, so 4 square 4 into ac, a value equal to k and c value is equal to 1, so k 1. Now k 4 whole square equal to 16 minus 4 ones are 4k is equal to what is given? 0. So here 0. Minus 4k transpose plus 4k. So 4k is equal to 16. Value of k is equal to 16 into 4 transpose by 4. 4 table 4 ones are 4 fours are. Value of k is equal to 4. So when if the delta value equal to 0, this not given in the problem, he given a statement as roots are real and equal, then what is the value of k? If you given this word, you have to use delta is equal to 0 and find the value of k. You got in this problem k value is equal to 4. Okay, now in this video we discussed till now what is the discriminant of the data, formula b square minus 4ac, and nature of the roots. We learned the three conditions: delta greater than 0, delta less than 0, delta equal to 0. Now finding of value of k by applying delta is equal to 0. These are the three methods we learned based on the discriminant only. And one more concept in our textbook, fourth model, based on the discriminant, that is, if we given any one statement or a situation, is it possible or not? Is it a possible or not? That we can decide based on the discriminant only. Okay, na? If the given statement, we have to convert into quadratic equation. You have to convert into quadratic equation. After getting the quadratic equation, we have to check the delta value is positive or negative. Okay, now if it is greater than 0, it possible. If it is equal to 0, it is possible. If the delta is less than 0, I mean if you got any negative term of a value of delta, such case quadratic equation is, the given situation is not possible. Okay, na? What is that? Let's discuss here. Suppose sum of the ages of two friends is equal to 20 and product of their ages is equal to 40. Sum of the ages is equal to 20, product of their ages is equal to 40. Sum of the ages is equal to 20, product of the ages is equal to 40. Based on these two conditions, you have to get a quadratic equation. After getting that quadratic equation, you have to identify its delta value. What is the delta? Okay, na? Delta value if you got as negative, here definitely will get negative value. Delta value less than 0, then that situation is not possible. Okay, na? Such case here they will give Ravi, sum of two friends age is equal to 20 and product of their ages is equal to 40. Is there any possible of above situation? Justify your answer. That will be the question. Such case you have to convert into quadratic equation. After that you have to decide based on the discriminant value. If it is positive value, possible. Equal to 0, possible. If it is negative only, after getting the delta, if it is negative less than to 0, such case it will be not possible. That is the fourth type. Okay, na? In this video we discussed about discriminant and the nature of the equation based on the discriminant equal to 0, then finding value of k. This is also based on discriminant, and the possible situation or not, this is also based on the discriminant only. Okay, na? If it is delta value is greater than 0 or equal to 0, possible. If it is less than 0, not possible. Roots are not real and not equal. Not real and real ga possibility ledu. So it is not possible. Okay. In next video we will go for one more interesting topic. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hello students. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. All the best.